Apparently, Ondas means waves in Spanish. So it's kind of fitting. It's been generating wave after wave in the drone and counter-drone defense domain. For example, Ondas subsidiary Centrix secured a contract with a German state police office to deploy its counter-unmanned aircraft system technology. The deployment supports law enforcement operations during large-scale events and sensitive missions amid rising concern over unauthorized drone activity in Germany. Just last year, authorities reported more than 1,000 suspicious drone flights, including incidents near military facilities, airports, and government zones. Centrix system uses what it describes as protocol manipulation, or cyber over RF, to detect, identify, track, and take control of unauthorized drones without jamming signals or using kinetic force. The technology can identify drone serial numbers and pinpoint operator locations in real time, offering what the company calls lawful and precise mitigation, suitable for civil environments. The German deployment coincides with the introduction of Centrix Scout, a compact, battery-powered, man-carried counter-drone system unveiled at the Enforce-TAC exhibition in Germany. Designed for rapid deployment without fixed infrastructure, Scout targets use cases such as tactical force protection, VIP security, convoy protection, border enforcement, and infrastructure patrol. Ondas estimates that the 5-year global addressable market for handheld counter-UAS systems is approximately $9.8 billion, citing industry research. Founded in 2017 and acquired by Ondas in 2025, Centrix is quickly demonstrating its value in cyber-based counter-drone capabilities for Ondas' broader defense portfolio. Ondas has also reported additional multi-million-dollar orders for its Iron Drone Raider counter-drone system from a NATO country customer. The system has already been deployed at a major European international airport as part of a previous $16.8 million contract protecting 2 airports. Iron Drone Raider uses a net-based kinetic interception method designed specifically for densely populated and aviation-sensitive environments. Unlike radio frequency jamming systems that risk interfering with civil aviation communications or missile-based interceptors that carry greater collateral damage risk, the system is intended to neutralize hostile drones safely within regulated civil airspace. Company leadership emphasized that the rise in hostile drone activity has reshaped airport and urban security requirements across Europe, driving demand for compliant and precision UAS options. Then crashing onto shores in the Asia-Pacific region, Ondas, through its subsidiary Aerobotics, recently secured a defense contract with a governmental customer in the region to deploy autonomous unmanned aerial systems for national security missions. The agreement will be executed in multiple phases, with initial deliveries scheduled to begin this year, and potential follow-on orders as deployments expand. The announcement, made during the Singapore Air Show, reflects growing regional demand for autonomous systems supporting border protection, critical infrastructure security, and counter-drone operations. Although financial details and the customer's identity were not disclosed, Ondas described the contract as part of its broader strategy to integrate autonomous aerial capabilities into existing defense architectures and scale its international presence. In Israel, Ondas, smart demining subsidiary 4M Defense, secured a multi-year contract valued at more than $30 million to conduct large-scale land clearance operations along the Israel-Syria border. The project covers approximately 741 acres and is described as one of the largest demining initiatives undertaken in the country. The initial execution period extends up to 3 years, with options for extensions and potential expansion of scope. 4M Defense plans to deploy autonomous systems, robotics, and aerial intelligence technologies to replace traditional, labor-intensive demining approaches. Company executives indicated that the project could serve as a model for future large-scale autonomous demining programs worldwide. Then, in the quest to keep making waves in the drone world, Ondas made a definitive agreement to acquire Rotron Aero, a UK-based developer of long-range unmanned aerial systems and autonomous strike platforms. The acquisition will integrate Rotron's extended-range UAVs, propulsion technologies, and command and control systems into Ondas' broader defense architecture. Rotron's portfolio includes vertical takeoff and landing platforms and autonomous attack systems designed for operations in contested environments. The transaction, structured with both cash and stock consideration, remains subject to regulatory approvals and customary closing conditions. Ondas stated that the acquisition aligns with its strategic growth plan and strengthens its footprint within UK and NATO defense ecosystems. Then, quite fittingly, under the stars and stripes of red, white, and blue, Ondas announced that its Optimus drone, developed by subsidiary American Robotics, received Blue List status from the Defense Contract Management Agency. The designation places the system on the Department of Defense's directory of approved, secure, and NDAA-compliant unmanned aircraft systems, enabling streamlined federal procurement. The Blue List recognizes platforms that meet standards for cybersecurity, supply chain integrity, and operational reliability. The approval positions the platform for broader deployment across defense and critical infrastructure applications, requiring secure and compliant unmanned systems. It's also handy for customers that the Optimus system features a drone-in-a-box docking station, designed for continuous autonomous operations, with multiple onboard batteries and interchangeable payloads that can be swapped automatically between flights. Like the old acronym goes, keep it super simple, just like TradingView, your trusted tool to track and scan the markets. Try it for free, link in the description and pinned comment.